Here we go. Do 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 do. Check 1 2. Check 1 2. Is the microphone hot enough? La di di da di da di dum. I was made. You were made. I actually was made for loving you, Michael. No. Oh, God, hey, baby doll. Oh, and just like that, here comes the heater. Hey, y'all. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Emily Aubrey. This over here is Michael Lyons. NANABOOZHOO, Michael Lyons, the rock star cartoonist. Hey, everybody. Merry Christmas. Yeah, Merry Christmas, everyone. Today's Ojibwe word of the day. Merry Christmas. Minawanagozi. What's up, Bagheera? Minawanagozi. Niba Anima A Geisha Good. Merry Christmas. Or Merry Nighttime Prayer Day. That's what we call Christmas, Nighttime Prayer Day. Hey, Bagheera, you want to be on the show? This is our kitty, Bagheera. NANABOOZHOO, Bagheera, say hello. Say hello, these nice people. He always wants to be on Michael's lap. They're a codependent couple. Do 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 do. In any case, from our family to yours, Merry Christmas. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white. This actually looks kind of good. Welcome to Gitchigummy Library. Can you say Gitchigummy? Oh, that's really good. That's the name of the library. And we're in Bemidji, Minnesota. What's your name?
I know.
You don't know? I thought your name was Babe.
Okay.
Hello everyone.
Okay.
My name is Bay. Bigfoot in English. You know, some people, they don't believe in me. But I say, that's okay. Even if nobody believes in you, you can believe in yourself, huh? What's your name? Ruth?
Rory.
Lori. Rory. You actually said it right. I assumed you couldn't pronounce your name. Rory. Rory. Is that like somebody who roars a lot? Oh, cool. How old are you, Rory?
5.
5. Beijig, Nij, this way. Me win, nanan. Oh, I was just counting in Ojibwe. Do you know any Ojibwe words? Do you know if I say BOOZHOO? That means hello. It also means hello in French. So for all my friends in France, BOOZHOO. No. Would you like me to read a story?
Yes.
I've got a great big book here. But oh, you know what else? Hey, Michael, come here.
Oh, hi, Bigfoot. How you doing?
You want to read a book called The Mitten?
Yeah, I can read the mitten.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is Michael Lyons. He's going to read The Mitten by, adapted and illustrated by Jan Brett. Big old book. All right.
Now you're moving the microphone. Okay, sweetie. Walking in a winter wonderland. Sung by Peggy Lee. First page.
I took my love and I took it down. I climbed a mountain and I turned around. And then I saw my reflection in the snow-covered hills, till the landslide brought me down. Whoa, mirror in the sky, what is love? Can a child within my heart rise above? And can I sail through the changing ocean tides? Can I sail through the changes in my life? I don't know. I don't know. Well, I've been afraid of changing because I've built my life around you. And time makes you bolder, even children get older, and I'm getting older too. Yeah, I'm getting older too. So take this love, take it down.
Sleigh bells ring. Are you listening?
You climb a mountain and you turned around, and if you see my reflection in the snow-covered hills, the landslide will bring us down, down. And if you see my reflection in the snow-covered hills, the landslide will bring us down, down. The landslide will bring us
In
down.
front of the camera? Okay.
Oh, sweetie. That's my babe.
Is that babe? That looks like you. Who's that, Daddy?
That,
Is that Mommy?
yeah,
Who's this?
my brother.
That's your brother.
Yeah,
Cool.
that's
Alright.
my dad. That's my brother too. That's
Walking.
my sister. That's my sister. That's my mommy. That's
Where's
my
your
daddy.
Awesome. Are you
It's not a
guys
fish.
playing in the snow?
Yeah,
It's not a horse.
it's a bear.
It's a bear. Do you know how to say bear in Ojibwe? You say, very good, makwa. Okay, so it's kind of like a mitten. You put your hand there, and then if you push it way up there, you can find his mouth like it's a mitten. Can you go, hello? Is your thumb like right here? Can you put your thumb in this part? There it is.
Now, can you say in the camera, BOOZHOO? Very good.
Very good.
This is called The Mitten. And I'm going to read it. And then if I need any help, will you help me? And it's Rory. Rory and Muckla. The Mitten. Whoops. Did I almost hit your head? I didn't want to hit your head. So this is called The Mitten. Oh, it's really pretty out here. Yeah, huh? I better keep my eyes on the road. The roads, whoa. Roads look kind of slick. I'll say. I don't want to be running up that road. Don't want to be sliding around that hill. It doesn't hurt me. Do you want to feel how it feels? Do you want to know that it doesn't hurt me? Do you want to hear about the deal I'm making? It's you and me. If only could I make a deal with God, and I get up to swap our places. Be running up that road, be running up that hill, be running up that building. Say if only could. You don't wanna hurt me, but see how deep the bullet lies. Unaware I'm tearing you asunder. There is thunder in our hearts. Is there so much hate for the ones we love? Tell me we both matter, don't we? It's you and me. It's you and me, and we won't be unhappy. And if only could I make a deal with God, and I get him to swap our places. Be running up that road, be running up that hill, be running up that building. Say if only could. It's you and me, happy. You and me. Come on, baby. Come on, darling. Let me steal this moment from you now. Come on, angel. Come on, darling. Let's exchange the experience. Swap our places. Running up that road, be running up that hill, that building.
Oh, look out, sweetie. I think I see a light at the end of the tunnel.
Yeah.
I see the light at the end of the
Oh, here it
tunnel.
comes.
We're going to make it after all.
I was wondering.
Oh, and if only could. You want to play a car game or something?
I don't know.
Okay.
Not
maybe
really.
I'll just watch the road. Oh, it's really pretty out here, though.
Yeah, huh? It's beautiful.
We could do a show just from the car.
Yeah, huh? All done? All right. You want to read another book?
This is the same kind of thing. He's got in the back of his. If you can push your hand way up there, and then put your thumb, and there you go.
Hello, everybody. Oh, there goes me hat. My name is Salbay. This here is Animosh. Say hello, Animosh.
Hello, one mouse.
Oh, that's a good joke. And then, can you say hello, Makwa?
Hello, Mama.
Oh, for crying out loud. Say good night, Gracie. No. And what's the book we're going to read today? Rory? Rory? Can you say Spot's Magical Christmas?
Spot's Magical Christmas.
Spot's Magical Christmas. All right.
But, so, Minnewagozi. Minnewagozi. Nipa anima e gisha good. Merry nighttime prayer day. From our family to yours. Celebrating the birth of King Nimrod, the creator of the Tower of Babel. Anyway, so, what?
Nothing. Hey, sweetie.
Yeah?
You got a call on line 2.
Line 2, you're kidding. Who could that be? Line 2. Hello, caller. Welcome to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. You're on the air.
Oh, Merry Christmas, little girl. It is I, Santa Claus.
Oh, hey, Santa. Sweetie, it's Santa Claus.
Oh, bonjour, Saint Nick.
Hello there, NANABOOZHOO. Have you been a good boy or a bad boy?
I don't know, I've been kind of bad, I guess.
Oh, well then no toys for you. I will give you coal in your stocking.
Yeah, what about that?
Have you been a good girl or a bad girl, Natasha?
You know, I've been trying my best, all right? It's been a tough year for all of us. But who are you to judge?
Well, I'm jolly old Saint Nick. I know when you're sleeping, and I know when you're awake. So you better be good, for goodness sakes. Ho, ho, ho!
Yeah, kind of a veiled threat.
You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why.
Why?
'Cause I'm Santa Claus, and I'm watching you. And I'm going to break into your house this Christmas and either give you toys or give you coal. Ho, ho, ho!
Yeah, okay.
I still dream of Oregon. Wake up crying, you're making rain, and you're just in reach when you in sleep escape me.
You're like my yo-yo that glowed in the dark. What made it special made it dangerous. So I'll bury it and forget. But every time it rains, you're here in my head, like the sun coming out. Ooh, I just know that something good is gonna happen. I don't know when, but just saying it could even make it happen. On top of the world, looking over the edge, you could see them coming. You look too small in their big black car to be a threat to the men in power. I hid my yo-yo in the garden. I can't hide you from the government. Oh God, Daddy, I won't forget. But every time it rains, you're here in my head, like the sun coming out. Oh, I just know that something good is gonna happen. Hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yo. Hey, yeah, yeah, hey.
I'm sure I can reach if I just stretch it up. Spot
All right, hey, here, I'm going to teach you a word. Can you say, Giga-wabba-min?
Man.
Giga-wabba-min, I'll see ya.
Hi. Hi.
Thank you for coming to story time.
Thank you.
Will you come back?
Yeah.
All right, Giga-wabba-min.
Bye.
Bye.
Have you ever seen a reindeer? Ever seen a real deer?
You haven't seen deer in grandma's yard eating my bird feeder?
What about those deer?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, hi, buddy. Are you...
We were eating with them here. That's pretty nice.
Great.
It's every Tuesday?
Wednesday and Thursday.
Oh, cool.
I'll be here again if you guys come back tomorrow. See you later, guys. What do you think? Do you want to color or do you want to read?
Color.
Okay.
This actually looks kind of good.
Yeah, it does.
Maybe we should film a show like this. Can you do that thing like ventriloquists?
You ain't talking without moving my lips?
Yeah! Can you talk without moving your lips?
Well, sure, I can talk without moving my lips. Hello, everybody. Welcome to our show. My name is Lyons. And this is Emily.
Hey, y'all! My name's Emily. And Michael here, he's a ventriloquist. He does this amazing thing. He'll talk without moving his lips. Just show him, sweetie.
Hi, everybody.
See that? He's a regular Jeff Dunham. Jeff Dunham came to Bemidji.
Yeah, I know.
Did you go see him? No. Why not?
Never mind.
All right. Well, hey, y'all. I guess that's our show tonight. Miigwetch. Miigwetch gonna wubby egg. Thank you for watching BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language, about Ojibwe culture too, baby. No, 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 no. La-di-da-di-da-da. No. All right. Gigawabbabin. Minawa.